Jake and Emma, Origin Mattress Review.
Welcome back to our channel. Origin recently sent us their latest launch, the Origin LumbarCloud Hybrid Mattress for review. We opted for the mattress in super single size as our HDB is so small. Time to unbox this bad boy. It's our first time getting a mattress in a box, and we didn't really know what to expect. Our bed in our master bedroom is the Temper Sensation Elite, which is a memory foam bed. It is very comfortable and has served us well, but does have its downsides, such as lack of springs for orthopedic support, and tends to trap body heat at night, especially in Singapore's hot weather. Meanwhile, let me unpack this sushi roll. Follow the instructions on the box to safely release the mattress. We are definitely excited to try out this new mattress, which is the total opposite of what we have right now. It has up to 3000 springs for optimal spinal alignment and has a graphite foam topper which is apparently 10 times cooler than memory foam. We have not heard of the brand before, but it has apparently won many awards. The most satisfying part. It rises like a bread dough. There are tons of R&D into the mattress with up to 9 layers, reminding me of a kueh lapis. I cannot comprehend the number of different materials there is in this single bed, ranging from tencel, microfiber, polymer, graphite latex, what even is a bamboo-infused wool, titanium springs, and different kinds of foam. The mattress is quite heavy, and we noticed that there is a rubbery anti-slip surface on the underside of the bed, which is probably a good safety feature if you intend to place the mattress directly on the floor like us. There are also handles on the side of the bed for easy lifting and changing of the sheets. As its name suggests, the plushiness of the bed resembles a cloud. The unique stitching pattern creates uneven surfaces which is surprisingly comfortable as it apparently evenly distributes the body weight over a larger surface area, allowing the back, hip and shoulders to stay pressure-free. The topper for the mattress is smooth, soft and firm at the same time. It is remarkable how cool to touch the mattress was, reminding me of those cool fever gel patches. The drop test of the foam didn't really create too much of a bounce, which probably suggests good motion isolation. The edges of the bed are also pretty sturdy and seem to hold up well for now. All in all, the Origin LumbarCloud Hybrid Mattress features a unique combination of materials that aim to provide comfort in both softness and support. We are incredibly excited to try out the new mattress and already have very good first impressions of it. These are just some of our reactions.
It's very cooling. I want to sleep here. Very cooling.
Without further delay, we put on some fresh sheets and got ready for a good night's sleep. If you don't like the mattress, fret not. There is a 120 night trial and a full refund after 25 nights. You may use the discount code below for $25 off store-wide purchase. If you are interested, do check out their website at originmattress.com.sg, included in the description box below. They also have a showroom at 36 Kaki Bukit Place, which you can visit as well. Thank you for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next video.